I heard about a place beyond the horizon. I looked for it and discovered it was all around me. I found my passion flowing through the sand of a lost desert. I crossed it all the way, straight to the end. I saw my struggle rising up into the sky, but I was faster. I met my fear. It was there on the edge of a cliff. It whispered, "Turn back. The next horizon is out of your reach." Oh, shut up. You're nothing but dust. A jump. A thrill. A corner. Another thrill. Impossible to stop. And then, oh, freedom. I dived into it and breathed it in. This is why I keep on riding horizon after horizon. This is how I always get to the next one. Yamaha Tenere 700 World Raid. Next horizon.